Hi guys, good morning. It's Spartan Day today, Trail Edition. It's currently 1:30 a.m. and gun start is at 6 a.m. So we're now on the way to Bataan with Meryl. We're now here. Aga namin 4 a.m. pa lang but nag-register pa lang kasi ako.
It's bringing at 5:45. Order station.
Hi guys, race is done already. Our target was to finish the race ng 1 and 30 minutes pero natapos namin siya under 30 no, it's 1 hour and 24 minutes so yay, hindi ko na siya uulitin. Thanks Meryl. Siya po yung kasama ko, ang tagal niya.
Uy, ka. Hindi kasi nagka-cramps na ako, guys. Tapos ang last takbo ko 2 weeks ago pa.
Oo, so simula pa lang ang bagal niya na. O, tama na to. Bye-bye.